If you're looking for a new business card, but secretly dreaming about ways to offset your business expenses or earn free business class flights to New York, taxes excluded, there's a way you can do both. American Express has just announced the return of its monster welcome bonus when you sign up as a new card member by midnight on the 31st of March 2022. The bonus applies to two cards, the American Express Business Platinum card and the American Express Business Gold card. Both are charge cards, not credit cards, and come with interest-free spending plus a whole range of extra rewards. With a charge card, you must pay off your balance in full each month, and both cards come with an annual fee. Before you settle on your new business card, it's a good idea to compare a whole range of cards to find the right one for your business. But if those Amex cards have piqued your interest, here are 3 hacks to make the most out of that welcome bonus and unlock even more rewards. Let's start with that mega welcome bonus. If you sign up as a new card member and spend £10,000 on your American Express Business Platinum card in your first 3 months, you'll receive a huge welcome bonus of 100,000 membership rewards points. With your new Gold card, you can bag 50,000 points when you spend $5,000 in your first 3 months. And the rewards don't just stop after that welcome bonus. Charge cards typically come with a higher spending limit, so why not stick all your business expenses, your PPC budget or software licenses, for example, on your Amex, so you can reap even more rewards, provided you pay off your balance in full each month. You'll earn 1 membership rewards point for every £1 you spend on your Business Platinum or Gold card. And if you spend £20,000 per quarter on your Gold card, you can earn an extra 10,000 membership rewards points. Plus, both cards will give you an additional point for every £1 you spend on flights, hotels, car hire, or experiences through American Express Travel. If you want to use your card somewhere that doesn't take Amex, never fear, you can still collect points via PayPal, which lets you pay using Amex. Another way to scoop up some extra points is to refer a friend. If you're a Business Platinum card member, the latest referral deal, which also expires on the 31st of March 2022, will get you an extra 30,000 membership rewards points when you successfully refer a friend or colleague. For Gold card members, it's 20,000 points. Teamwork makes the dream work, and you can bag even more points for your business by sharing out additional cards with your colleagues for their expenses. With the Business Platinum card, you can get 1 complimentary Business Platinum supplementary or employee card and up to 98 complimentary Business Gold cards. You can also opt to get supplementary Platinum cards for £295. If you have a Business Gold card, you can get up to 99 complimentary Employee Gold cards. Our last tip is all about embracing the power of the points. If you've got an upcoming business trip, you could convert 100,000 membership rewards points to Avios, which would fund an off-peak return business class flight with British Airways from the UK to New York or Washington. You could use your points to buy office tech, buy gift cards from Amazon or Currys, and there are hundreds of stores where you can use your points to buy equipment for your business. You can also use your points to offset business expenses, and points can even become credit towards your internet service or the cost of fuel. And as if all of that wasn't the cherry on the business card cake, Platinum card members will also have access to exclusive discounts, pre-sale concert tickets and competitions with American Express experiences. Every business's needs will look slightly different, so it's always a good idea to compare a range of cards to find the one that works best for your company. Head to finder.com by clicking this link here for more information and to start comparing the best cards for your business. You can also find more about what each of these cards offers, plus eligibility criteria and terms and conditions on the American Express site. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to hit that bell button to be the first to know when a new video drops. Thanks for watching.